Hello again, it's Noob, and recently I was on eBay and I bought a few, not many, new old stock locks, and I like buying them because you tend to be able to buy older locks still in great condition because they're new, and often the packaging is more interesting because it's older and all that kind of stuff. You can tell how old this is. Look how yellow this plastic slide off case thing is. Luckily it's not stapled or anything like that, but yeah, it's really, really old. I mean, you can probably tell, just look at that contrast. I'll take that off so we can have a look at the card, which the card itself, look at how weathered that is. It looks really sun faded, unless it's just bad printing, but it looks like this has been probably kept as a display lock in a window or something. What do you think? It's very brittle. There's bits of sort of plastic all broken off around here as well. It's a bit chipped. Okay, so what does this tell us? Well, this is the ABUS 2450, or to be more accurate, the 24 IBC 50. I think it's the smallest discus lock they make. They do make, I think, a 90mm version, which is really chunky. It says it's a 6 out of 10, extra 6. I don't know why it's an extra 6. 6 out of 10 is like middle of the road. It's a 4-pin lock. Stainless steel body, yeah. Stainless steel shackle, yeah. Double bolted shackle. No idea what that means. What does double bolted mean? Does it mean closed? I don't know. Quality control. Anything else on here? Oh, double bolted closed shackle for extra strength against levering. I still don't know what that really means in context. Stainless steel, yeah. Precision 4-pin cylinder. Rust free. Oh, anti-pick mushroom pins. Okay, so got some spools in. Rust-free springs for anti-corrosion, which is probably what this means. It's like a marine-grade padlock. So, you know, around probably marine environments, watery environments, that kind of stuff, rainproof, blah, blah, blah. Laser welded steel case, yeah. Oh, 5-year guarantee. So clearly ABUS actually do hold their locks in high regard. 5 years is quite a long time to have a lock out in the elements being used. But yeah, very handsome, very new-looking lock. Now, because I've got eyes, I did notice the bitting of this key is very extreme. So I've already got out a medium hook, where is it? Which I think should be able to reach up and get those pins. Clearly, if I didn't have a look at those keys, I'd probably get frustrated because I would be overlifting probably pins 1 and 2. Look how high pins 3 and 4 are there. It's crazy. So, yeah. It's just one of those things where I did see the key, therefore I know what pick to choose. Otherwise, what I'd normally do is start out with a short hook, and when I can't feel, I can't lift the pins high enough, I can't feel that they're setting, I'd swap over to a medium hook. But because I do know the bitting, then I will just start with the medium hook. So, cheating? No, just honesty. I can't forget what I've seen. So let's put that in my vise. Always hard to get these very round ones in because you have to sort of get them very much centered and give it a nice squeeze in there. It still rocks back and forth a bit, but I think we'll get away with it. Got my medium hook. Turning tools, what do I have? What do I have? Way too thick. Need top of the keyway. What about this one? That could work. I do have another one here. What's this one like? I think I prefer that more. Don't know why. Pretty much the same as the other one. Okay, so here's my medium hook. Put some modest tension on. Pull back. Pin 2's binding. Try and lift that. Oh, nice little click. Nothing on 1. Okay. 4's now binding. I feel that. Can I lift that up? Keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. Oh wow, I can't. Oh, did that lift or overlift? I can't tell. I might have overset that. Let's release some tension. Okay, see where we get to there. Pin 1, I think, is binding. I think, yeah. Anything 3? No. So is it 4 holding us back? Or do I have to release? Oh, 4. Oh. Ooh, I hit 4 and I thought I had the open. Actually went into a full set. That would be the mushroom pins, or more likely to be spool pins, really, isn't it? Pin 3 now. Bit of counter rotation on 3. Can I gently pull the pick around the warding and pick 3? Yes, and we have. Yes, we got it. Gently it goes, and we have the open. Look at that. It's very cute. I really like this tiny little discus. So small. And there it is, all opened up. So yeah, like a lot of ABUS locks, just go easy. Feel those pins binding. If it is ABUS, it almost certainly will have spool pins in. So get used to that. And let's see if we can lock that back up. There, so feels a bit rough. Probably has been oiled since I think it is new old stock anyway. And there we are, locked back up, ready to go. Still don't know what that double bolted shackle means, but anyway, look, if you enjoyed that video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing if you think that I've earned your subscription, because it really helps my channel out. If you have any comments about this lock, look how sweet and cute it is for a little discus lock. It's like a little baby. Then do leave all your comments below. I definitely read them all, and I do try to reply to as many as I can. And of course, I'll see you all next time.